Hello. Well, we all try to be as productive as possible with our desktops. And I'm just going to pass on some things that I just recently learned and hopefully will save you from going through this kind of a problem here. When your desktop is not recognized by Windows and then it later on is recognized, Windows just stacks everything just like this on your desktop. And then you have to rearrange it to the way you like. Now, after going through this a couple of times, I realized that the problem was the fact that I had moved my desktop to the D drive instead of my boot drive. Now, a few things to consider I know this is going to be boring as can be, but I'll keep it as brief as possible. Uh, Note to myself after going through this process is on your desktop, only store shortcuts, text, maybe a few photos, not many photos, and your pictures and your videos, make sure to put those over on your data drive. Well, because I was using my D drive for my desktop, I was fat, dumb, and happy. And all of these things over here, these folders here, a lot of them had videos in them. And I had this problem a couple of times, and I finally realized, oh, I have to move everything back to my C drive. Now, when you do that, like I just did, and I was very, very lucky. You might not be so lucky if you don't follow what I'm talking about. And on your desktop, only store shortcuts, no matter which way you do it. Even if you put it to your data drive, shortcuts, because here's what happened when I moved it back to my C drive. This is how close I came to overloading my C drive. Now, what I am going to do is all of these folders that have videos in them, I'm going to move those back to my D drive. But I have a couple of hours worth of work to do today because I didn't have it organized properly in the first place. And this is just to kind of save you. All right, now, if you are on your D drive and you have your desktop to that, here's the, all right, let me get so that it comes up and stays. Stay. All right, try one more time. All right, come on, you. No, it's over here, over here. Oh, I know how to do it. Sorry about that. There, now it'll stay up. Just little things of learning how to use two monitors at the same time. This is what Gemini says how to do this. You open your File Explorer, which is what I was showing you, and you go to where the Windows E to get the Explorer, then go over to your D drive. You right click on your desktop folders, go to Properties in the context menu, Location tab. You right click to get Properties. Then you go to Location tab, and then you go Restore Default button. Now, it'll also ask you a few questions. Now, I've restored my default button, and that is what we did here. Now, but the thing is, if you get the chance today, tomorrow, you can divide this up, and you're going to save yourself a lot of grief in the future if you do this. And follow my advice so that you don't have the same type of problem here where you have folders that actually have videos in them on your boot drive. There you go. Productivity software research. Oh, one more thing to save you one more bit of grief, and this is a big bit of grief. There are programs out there that are advertised that say that they can do all the manipulation for you in moving, actually save where all of your icons are on your desktop. Don't download those because they have pups in them. Pups is a type of virus, and I don't like viruses. So I hope this helps.